Do not miss any of our cool videos. Subscribe to our channel for latest updates. Click on the bell icon now.
Want to run machine learning applications on an Arduino? Introducing the Arduino TinyML kit with the new microcontroller, the Arduino Nano 33 BLE. To find out more, keep watching.
Hello and welcome to RoboGrace. My name is Thomas, and in this video I'm going to show you the new Arduino Nano 33 BLE. This is the successor of the familiar Arduino Nano, and it comes with a more powerful processor, and it comes with a whole host of new sensors. The more powerful processor means that you can run codes that are much larger than the Arduino Uno. But that's not all. It includes a wide host of sensors such as Bluetooth, pairing supported with NFC, 9-axis IMU that constitutes of accelerometer, gyroscope, and magnetometer, humidity temperature sensor, barometric sensor for pressure, an inbuilt microphone,
And a color sensor, being able to detect red, green, and blue.
Sounds like it packs a lot, but there's even more to it. The main feature of this board, aside from having all these sensors on board, is the ability to run edge computing applications or AI using TinyML. You can create machine learning models on TensorFlowLite on the very familiar Arduino IDE. This is where the kit comes in. This is the Arduino TinyML kit, and the main purpose of the kit is for you to be able to run AI and ML based applications on the Nano BLE with the included daughter board, which also contains an OV7675 camera, so that you can run a lot of ML and AI based image recognition applications. Now, if you have an Arduino Nano based project, you can easily upgrade your project to use the Nano 33 BLE since it's a pin equivalent substitute. But do note that the 33 BLE only operates on 3.3 volt, unlike the Uno and the Nano, which operates on 5 volts. So make sure your design is based on the 3.3 volt circuits.
To get started with the Nano 33 BLE, open Arduino IDE.
Go to Tools, click on Board, and you'll see the option for Board Manager. Search Nano 33 BLE, and you'll see Arduino Embed Enable Boards, which also includes the Arduino Nano 33 library. Click on Install, and make sure you have an internet connection so it's able to download it, and give it a while, since depending on the system you're running, this installation takes a while.
Once installed, you will have the option of Arduino Nano 33 BLE under your board manager. You can go to Tools, go to Boards, and you should have a newly optioned Arduino Nano 33 BLE.
In order to make use of the onboard sensors, you'll have to install a couple of libraries. That's it. Go to Tools, click on Manage Libraries, and search for EPDS9960. This is the library for the onboard color sensor. Click on Install, and you should be good to go. Next, we have to install HTS221, which is a library for temperature and humidity. All the library names will be written in the description below, so if you can't keep up with the video, you can just find it on the description. Next library to install is the Arduino LPS22HB, which is the library for the onboard barometer. After installing that, the fourth library to install is the LSM9DS1, which is the library for the onboard IMU. So these have the examples for the accelerometer, it has the example for gyroscope and the magnetometer.
The next library we'll be installing is the Adafruit PDM library, which will allow us to use the onboard microphone.
The last library we'll be installing here is the TensorFlowLite, which is going to help you get started with the TinyML aspect of the Nano 33 BLE.
This is the library that we will be using to start off our TinyML and AI-based codes. After installing all the board and the libraries, for good measure, make sure you restart your Arduino IDE so that all the libraries and the board is properly installed. Once the Arduino IDE restarts, you can go to File, Examples, and you can find the example codes for each of the sensor libraries that we've downloaded. To use the Nano 33 BLE, connect the micro USB to the microcontroller and the other end to your laptop. The onboard green LED should turn on, indicating that the board is indeed powered on. To upload the code to the Nano, you have to first set it into programming mode. To do so, you click on the onboard button and the orange LED should turn on. You can then upload the code from the Arduino IDE by selecting the appropriate COM port and clicking on the upload button. Once done, you can then disconnect the micro USB and reconnect it again in order to switch it back to the regular operating mode. You can then open the serial monitor and see your code run.
In the next video, I will be showing how you can make a magic wand using the Nano BLE and how you can make a local image speech detection software using TensorFlow in Arduino IDE with the Nano 33 BLE. With that, thanks for watching. My name is Thomas and see you on the next video.